Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to go over guys Realme phone setting guys, and today friends we will talk about Realme phone sound vibration setting and video title, custom ringtone setting, how to use and how to set custom ringtone on Realme phone device. Friends, you want to set custom ringtone on your Realme phone device, so how to set and use custom ringtone in this video friends we will talk about one by one and step by step. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video guys, open your phone setting friends. After phone setting friends, you can see this type interface on your Realme phone device. Friends, click on Realme phone sound and vibration setting. After on sound and vibration friends, you can see this type interface on your Realme phone device. Friends, you can see vibrate on ring setting. Friends, you want to on your vibrate on ring, you can on. Friends, you want to on your vibrate on silent, so you can on. And friends, if you on silent mode, friends, automatically your phone ringtone and notification ringtone will off. And friends, you can see silent mode icon will show on status bar. So once you can see notification ringtone and ringtone will off automatic. So by off your silent mode, and once you can increase your phone volume from here, notification and ringtone volume. So once click on phone ringtone setting, and once you want to use your system ringtone, you want to set your system ringtone, you want to change, so then select your ringtone. So once I will click custom ringtone, once you can see select from file, click here, and once you have custom ringtone, so when select your ringtone and once come back, once your custom ringtone sound will set. As you can see custom ringtone sound will set on a Realme phone device, and once you can increase volume and you can use your custom ringtone sound on your Realme phone device. So like that friends, you can set your custom ringtone, click here friends, click on select from file setting. So once you have any downloaded ringtone, so when select your ringtone, you can select and you can change your custom ringtone and you can set custom ringtone on Realme phone device. So friends, you can see custom ringtone will change. So like that friends, we can set and change custom ringtone on Realme phone device. So bye guys, thanks for watching.